Welcome to Market Minute on HBS TV, the only Harvard University channel where you can get the inside scoop on Wall Street. I'm Mia Saney, your host, and here's a look at what rattled the financial markets today, Wednesday, October 8th. The presidential debate last night and the global rate cut today did little to reduce volatility in the markets. Stocks swung between red and green all day, finally landing on red. The Dow was down about 200 points, the S&P 500 down about 12, and despite a strong showing from some of the computer companies, the Nasdaq was down about 15 points as well. In the face of increasing investor pressure, central banks around the world coordinated a rate cut today in attempts to jumpstart the global economy. Our very own U.S. Federal Reserve took some action by cutting the federal funds rate from 2% to 1%. Additionally, it lowered its discount rate by half a point. The European Central Bank, China, and Australia also followed, reducing rates despite inflationary concerns. Well, you've heard of the U.S. bailout. Now the UK officially has its own. Today, Britain revealed it would provide about £50 billion to increase capital available to banks in an effort to restore investor confidence. The U.S. housing market crisis triggered this international Armageddon, leaving banks around the world with a load of bad debt. In a public address, Treasury Secretary Hank Paulson spoke out today, saying it will take a while before things become better. And by and large, people kept their pocketbooks closed in September. Many stores reported today that they had weaker than expected same-store sales, including JCPenney and Target. It looked like people flocked to Walmart to store up on their must-need items. Walmart posted an increase of 2.4% in sales for September. After a fight over who gets to buy Wachovia, Citigroup and Wells Fargo agreed to reconvene their discussion on Friday, allowing the banks some more time to work on a joint agreement. And that's your quick look on the news that shook Wall Street today. Stay tuned for more HBS TV.